Each year, about half of all adults in the United States strive to reduce weight. Changing your diet is one of the most effective strategies to reduce weight. However, the sheer number of diet programs available can make it tough to get started because you don't know which one is the most appropriate, sustainable, and effective. We have done our research and we have the answers. Some diets seek to lower your food intake by curbing your hunger, while others propose limiting your calorie intake and carbohydrate or fat intake. As we get started, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share the video with family and friends. Can you guess what the #1 best diet is? Drum roll! Mediterranean diet. Congrats if you guessed it right. Drop in the comment section what you thought the #1 diet was. According to U.S. News & World Report's annual analysis, the Mediterranean diet rated #1 in the overall best diets for the 4th time in a row. The Mediterranean pattern of eating is really based on what things you add in as opposed to what foods you take away. What you see with that eating pattern is that it supports multiple cultures and foods. But a standard diet may require you to eat a certain way and does not allow for that flexibility and individualization. So what is a Mediterranean diet? It's widely assumed that people who live near the Mediterranean Sea live longer and experience less cancer and cardiovascular problems than most Americans. An active lifestyle, weight control, and a diet low in red meat, sugar, and saturated fat and high in fruit, nuts, and other healthful foods are the not-so-surprising secret. Weight loss, heart and brain health, cancer prevention, and diabetes prevention and control are all possible benefits of the Mediterranean diet. You can lose weight while avoiding chronic disease if you stick to the Mediterranean diet. Although there are no particular dietary guidelines, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and heart-healthy fats are often encouraged. Refined cereals, processed meals, and added sugar should all be avoided. A growing body of evidence suggests that the Mediterranean diet can help people lose weight and prevent heart attacks, strokes, type 2 diabetes, and premature death. As a result, the Mediterranean diet is frequently suggested to people who want to enhance their health and protect themselves from chronic disease. For more information about the Mediterranean diet, check out our Mediterranean Diet for Beginners video. #2. According to the CDC, about half of all individuals in the United States have excessive blood pressure, but only 1 out of every 4 adults works to reduce it. It's why, in the early 1990s, experts developed the DASH program, which aimed to reduce high salt and dangerous saturated fats in most people's diets. That is why the DASH diet is one of the common weight loss diets among hypertension and diabetics. So what is the DASH diet? The DASH diet stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It does exactly that, to stop or avoid hypertension. It emphasizes foods high in blood pressure-lowering minerals like potassium, calcium, protein, and fiber, which you've always been encouraged to eat, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy. DASH also prohibits sugar-sweetened beverages and sweets, as well as foods high in saturated fat, such as fatty meats, full-fat dairy meals, and tropical oils. Following DASH also entails a daily sodium limit of 2,300 milligrams, which will be gradually reduced to around 1,500 milligrams. The DASH diet is well-balanced and may be maintained for a long time. It is a good diet to follow even if you don't want to lose weight, but just want to keep a healthy lifestyle in general. For more information, check the description below and check out our DASH diet for Beginners video. #2. The flexitarian diet. Yes, another #2. The DASH diet is usually tied with this diet, the flexitarian diet, a plant-based dietary regimen that is often referred to as semi-vegetarian. Whatever plan you choose, one thing is certain: eating more plant-based foods is one of the healthiest things you can do. So what is the flexitarian diet? Flexitarian is a combination of 2 words, flexible and vegetarian. The flexitarian diet is essentially a more flexible version of vegetarianism. So you're still eating a lot of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, but you also eat meat now and then. So, if you've never really committed to vegetarianism because you enjoy a nice burger, the flexitarian diet might be right for you. However, keep in mind that this diet focuses on reducing your overall meat consumption. There are no set calorie or macronutrient goals in a flexitarian diet. Instead, the goal is to increase the consumption of plant or plant-based foods over time, keeping in mind meat is off limits. Calories in the flexitarian diet mostly come from nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, legumes, whole grains, and vegetables. This diet improves a healthy lifestyle by preventing any chronic heart diseases and cancer. Several studies have shown that it significantly lowers glucose and insulin in your body, thereby reducing diabetes. As you consume more plant-based foods, it also helps to control your body weight, which lowers body fat, hence weight loss. For more info, check below. Next is WW, formerly known as the Weight Watcher diet. It is one of the world's most popular weight loss programs. Millions of people have signed up in the hopes of losing weight. In fact, in 2017, WW added nearly 600,000 additional customers. Even high-profile celebrities like Oprah Winfrey have benefited from the program's weight loss results. You may be wondering what makes it so popular. If you want to lose weight slowly and steadily through food and lifestyle modifications, this diet is a wonderful option. It also includes a solid support network that may assist you in staying on track. Despite the fact that the WW point system emphasizes unprocessed foods such as vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins, no items are forbidden. While healthy eating is recommended, members are free to eat whatever they wish. However, this is an exclusive member site. Depending on the program you choose, participation can be costly. Nonetheless, results are frequently considered good in value. For more information about the WW diet, check the description below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with family and friends. Number 4. Mayo Clinic diet. On the Mayo Clinic diet, weight loss and a healthier lifestyle go hand in hand. With the guidance of the Mayo Clinic's unique food pyramid, you recalibrate your eating habits, breaking poor ones and replace them with good ones. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are emphasized in the pyramid. These foods have a low energy density, which means you can eat more while consuming fewer calories. Consider the following scenario. You could eat a quarter of a Snickers bar or roughly 2 cups of broccoli for about the same amount of calories. So, you choose. If you followed the Mayo Clinic diet, you should lose 6 to 10 pounds in 2 weeks and 1 to 2 pounds every week until you reach your goal weight. The Mayo Clinic diet helps you reshape your body and your lifestyle by adopting healthy habits and breaking unhealthy ones. Number 5. The Mind diet. According to preliminary studies, the Mind diet combines two well-known diets, the DASH and Mediterranean. It focuses on the items in each diet that especially boost brain function, potentially lowering your chance of a mental decline. While there is no guaranteed way to avoid Alzheimer's disease, eating healthy staples like leafy greens, almonds, and berries can help to reduce the risk of acquiring the progressive brain ailment. The Mind diet stands for Mediterranean – Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay. This is a low-carb diet that is known to bring quick weight loss. It includes green, leafy vegetables, all other vegetables, berries, nuts, olive oil, whole grains, fish, beans, poultry, and wine. No more than 1 glass per day. These foods are rich in antioxidants, which can reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is defined as an imbalance between the production of free radicals and antioxidant defenses, and prolonged exposure can cause cell damage, particularly to the brain. So in all, this diet boosts brain power whilst also accelerating weight loss. Check the description for more information. Number 6. TLC and the volumetric diet. They also get tied for the same position. The TLC, which stands for Therapeutic Lifestyle Changes, is a diet with the purpose of lowering cholesterol as part of a heart-healthy diet. It recommends a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, breads, cereals, pasta, and lean meats. You'll have a lot of leeway with what you consume because the standards are so broad. It is also a low-fat diet that promotes a healthy heart, and it is endorsed by the government, so you know this is not a fad diet. Lastly, with the volumetric diet, the volumetrics diet is a weight loss eating plan that encourages you to eat low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods. It's designed to help people feel less hungry by favoring foods that are high in water and low in calories, such as fruits, vegetables, and soups. Meanwhile, it limits calorie-dense foods like cookies, candies, nuts, seeds, and oils. Please keep in mind that there are over 40 diets in the US, and they can help you achieve your goal of weight loss. While some diets such as Whole30, Keto diet, intermittent fasting, Nordic, and many more may not have been mentioned, ultimately, the diet you choose should depend on your lifestyle and food preferences. This ensures that you are more likely to stick to it in the long term. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification for more content. Like and share. Leave healthy, stay healthy.